Hi, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Evo 1600cc kit. Keith Black pistons, hyper-eutectic normally. Very, very good. As he says, how can you expect to win tomorrow's races using yesterday's technology? Okay. These particular pistons, very well made. Hyper-eutectic is some patented thing that Keith Black uses. Okay. Comes complete with the pins, your assembly lube, your ring sets, and your spiral locks or your circlips. Not sure exactly what he uses, but he'll be using one or the other. Okay. As you can see, very well made, beautifully machined valve clearance things. Telling you wrong, I do apologise. These are the Keith Blacks, that was a Sputhe, okay? These are hyper-eutectic, which is Keith Black's patented system. This, however, is a Sputhe piston. Sputhe, all CNC machined, forged, much, much stronger than most, but he reckons that these are better for the heat, okay? Your Sputhe pistons come complete as well. Got spiral locks, your rings. We also do Ross, Weisseco, JE CP, which are otherwise known as Wow Things by Kuriakin. So any kind of big bore kits you want, your Keith Blacks, whatever, you know, twin cam, Evo, shovel, whatever it is, we can do them. These are your ultimate big bore kits. You can see here we also do masses of other stuff. Got all your helmets, got all your gear, okay, masses and masses of service stuff, all your grips. We got brakes, okay, you got your inside brake, which means you've got no disc on one side, you got the pulley and the brake together. You got some second-hand Evo motors, we've got some big block S&S 124s, all your oil pumps for massively upgrading all your oil system, which is pretty crap on a standard Harley. All right, flat spoke wheels or big wheels. We got all the special progressive shocks, way better than the standards. This particular one, S&S bottom end, this is an Evo, you know, big bore motor, 107. This is Ultima. Masses of pulleys, brakes, wheels, etc., all in stock. Okay, you ain't got all this crap over the, you know, over the web and wait 6 months for it to be made. If you've ever dealt with P&M or anyone, these wheels are billet, they're made to order. We keep 70 sets of hubs in, so we can cover any, literally any possibility you need. All right. So once you've got your big bore motor, you need a decent box. This is a 6-speed left side drive with a right side drive as well. You know, massive upgrades on the alternators. Say all your service gear. Masses of clothing in stock. Okay, here's all your footrests and all your gear like that. As you can see here, masses of clothing, bags for the sissy bar, risers. You know, pretty well anything, cups of tea, chocolate biscuits. And as you can see here, luggage, again, chopper frames. These are American Iron Horse, brand new frames. We've got Simpson helmets, and we have everything you should need. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.